Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an updated contour routine, and this is mostly focused on skincare, and you get like a lip bonus at the end of the video. But I just wanted to show you guys how much I love the Vanity Planet Blend Party set. Vanity Planet reached out to me and they asked me what product I would like to review again, and I was like, definitely the Blend Party brushes, because these are just so awesome to use as a makeup artist and on myself. So what makes these brushes unique is that the angle of the brush allows you to access areas that are harder to reach, and it can actually make everything easier to blend than a normal makeup brush. So these brushes are always great to use, especially for contouring, because that's when things get really complicated. So I just love the angles, and I feel like it's easier for me to see what I'm doing in the mirror when my hand is out of the way, because if you're using a regular brush, you're kind of like this and everything gets in the way and you can't really see because your hand is there. But with this one, you can keep your hand out of the way and focus on the art. So Vanity Planet was kind enough to give all of us a discount code, and you can actually get 60%, I think 70%. Hold on, let me check because it's like a huge discount. So this kit has 10 brushes in it, and it's $99 on Vanity Planet, but if you use the code LisaBlend, which is my affiliate code, you can get the entire set for $30. So this code does expire, so make sure that you use it as soon as you can if you're interested in using these. But I just want to go ahead and do a tutorial and a demo so you can see exactly how awesome these brushes are. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so I have already primed my skin, and I'm going to go ahead and use this medium size oval brush for your face, and I'm going to use my favorite foundation right now, which is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. My shade right now is C4, and I've honestly been loving this more than the Dior Air Flash, which is crazy because this is like a super affordable drugstore brand. Okay, so I just did half of my face so you can see the difference. You can tell that this side looks so airbrushed, super dewy, super luminous, and it has full coverage. And the majority of the application has a lot to do with the brushes. So with these oval brushes, they're super fluffy, they're super dense, and that really creates that really nice, even, flawless finish. So now that you can see the difference, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this half of the face. Alright, so now I'm totally covered, but I just want to go ahead and get the hard to reach areas, like under my eyes and on my lids. I'm going to go ahead and use one of the smaller brushes, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap under my eyes and on my eyelids and anywhere that I feel like I missed. Okay, so now it's time to contour. I'm going to use that same brush, and now I am using the Tom Ford foundation stick in the shade 11, which is Dusk. And I use this to contour. It's really been my go-to lately. I've been loving it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit onto my brush. And if you're going to use these brushes for anything, I think contouring is the thing to do with them, because they really just like get right into the areas where you really want to create definition, and it's like just perfect. Okay, so this is the brush that I used for foundation, and this is just a little bit smaller, and I'm going to be using this brush to blend in my contour. So it has like a broader application. The bristles are still perfect for blending. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of foundation onto the brush and like rub it in so it's a little bit wet. And I'm going to go ahead and just start blending. Okay, so now my contour is looking super snatched for my face, and now we're going to go into the nose, lips, and eye contour. So I'm still going into this one, but I'm just using a smaller brush. And I really like this one because it has a dome shape on it, so it kind of curves right here, which is perfect because it kind of diffuses everything and puts it where it needs to go. I'm going to go ahead and start by putting it under my lip. It just kind of exaggerates your lips and brings them out a little bit. I'm starting at the area where the brows connect to the nose, and I'm accentuating that and just pulling it down into my nose. So for the last part that I'm going to do with this brush, I'm just going to go ahead and pull this through my eyelids, and I love the curve of this brush because it just keeps everything out of the way, as you can see, and it just goes exactly where it needs to go. It just makes everything so much easier to reach. So now I'm just pulling up with the brush that I used my foundation on, and just like pressing it into my skin so that everything is just super blended. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Mannequin and Sagittarius liquid lipsticks mixed. I'm gonna use this one on the outside, and then I'll use this one kind of blended out in the middle. So the brush that I just showed you, I'm gonna go ahead and use it with the Sagittarius, and I'm gonna go ahead and just saturate my brush with that liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna use the angles of the brush to define my lip. So with this close-up, you can literally see exactly how defined this brush can get your lips to be. It's just doing something that no lip applicator could ever do. Okay, so since we're gonna ombre the middle with a lighter color, we're gonna go ahead and use this brush, which is not the one that we used for contouring. I know it looks like it, but this also came in the kit, and it has a flat tip, which is gonna be great for lip applications. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that liquid lipstick from the applicator to my brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it into the middle. Okay, so now my contour, my foundation, and my lips look bum AF. I could keep going all day long, but this is like a face tutorial. But as you can see from this tutorial, the opportunities are endless with these brushes. They really do make your makeup application so much easier. And just in case you're wondering, in this video, I did use 8 out of the 10 brushes. There's 2 more brushes. This is a large powder brush that you could totally use for like setting your face all over, or for pushing and setting spray, or you can use it for blush. There's so many ways to use this large brush. And then there's also a longer skinny brush, which is great for defining. If you messed up your lips, you could actually go along the edges and clean up like this with some concealer or foundation. You can also contour your brows by just going along like this. So there's just so many ways to use these brushes. Alright everyone, so this is my final look. I did do my eyes in a different video, so if you want to see that one, I'll go ahead and link it down below once it's ready. Once again, if you like the brushes and you want to try them for yourself, which I totally recommend, make sure that you use code LisaBlend so you can get them for $30 instead of $99. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.